You guys were absolutely brutal with these assumptions about me, so I thought we could answer them together. I asked you guys over on Instagram to give me some assumptions that you may have of me. Hope that you get a bit more of an insight into my life and answer your guys' assumptions. So let's get straight into it with some very juicy assumptions about me. Honestly, when I looked at some of them, I was like, oh my god, I really hope people don't think that of me. So we're going to clear things up today. Okay, we're going to start off with one that was asked lots of times and is one that I probably do need to clear up because I don't even know if I've even shared this properly online before. And that is, your real name is Lilybakes. Okay guys, so a lot of you may think that that is actually my real name, but it's actually not. So my real name is actually Lily Hazelden. I don't really share it online that much. I'm not ashamed of it, I just don't. I have just called myself Lilybakes ever since I started my channel and baking and stuff like that. It was actually my Uncle Greg, Rosie's dad, who came up with the name, and we've just went with it ever since. And a lot of people do think that that is my name when it's actually not. I have even some of the children that I teach at the school, they think that that is my real name, and I've had to tell them no, it's not actually my real name. Yeah, I do get a lot of people asking me that, quite a lot, but it came up a lot in my questions. I thought I'd just clear that one up. My real name is definitely not Lilybakes. Sticking with the baking theme, this is quite a common theme in this video. The next one is, you don't enjoy baking. Guys, I absolutely love baking, honestly. On the days where I'm not baking, I'm thinking about baking and want to bake something. Like there's days where I don't do anything for a few days. I'm like, is there anything I can just do so that I can actually bake? So I absolutely love baking, and I don't actually think that's going to stop because that is what I've been doing for such a long time, and I have not got bored of it once and don't get angry about it. Yes, every now and again I'm like, ugh. When I'm staying up till 1 o'clock like I was last night baking, I do that to myself. I've got no one else to blame for that except for me. But that is because I love it at the end of the day, and I enjoy it very much, and I do not see that stopping. I think I only got asked this like one time, but I thought as soon as I saw it, I definitely needed to clear this up because it is not true. Someone's assumption about me is you want to quit social media. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm not posting as much. That is purely because I'm very busy with my baking side of things and my school, like working at the school and all that other side. But I've got 2 more classes left today and tomorrow. After that, I've got 7 weeks of as much filming as I can get done. So you guys will have a lot up, and I love doing social media. I do forget half the time that I'm a content creator because a lot of the time I'm baking at the minute, and when I'm very busy I do forget to just take my phone out and take a video, even though I should, but I do forget. So I apologise for that, and I apologise for not being as consistent on my social media for the last few months. Life has just been getting in the way. It's been busy, but I've been trying as much as I can, and I will continue to try and film everything and upload it all for you guys so you can get a little more of an insight into my life and what I get up to on a day-to-day basis, because there is a lot that I do get up to. I just forget to film it. Guys, the next assumption about me is you have more than one sister. Yes I do. And I'm going to show you. I have my little brother, Bubbles. Look at him, he's so cute. Say hi. No? This is my little fur baby boy, Bubbles. You should all know him by now because he's in all my videos all the time. But, no, I don't have another actual sibling, as in a human sibling. But I do have a little doggy woggy sibling who we all love and adore so much, who wants to get down and doesn't want to be in the video, which is kind of him. So no, I don't have an actual human sibling, but I do have Bubbles, who we say is our brother anyway. And then obviously I have my sister Brooke, who we should also all know by now. But yes, I do have a sister, Brooke. She is 18. We are 15 months apart. She's out at the minute. She's shopping for holiday clothes because we are going on holiday in 3 days. and I can't wait. We're going with so many people to Portugal, and I'm thinking of filming a YouTube video, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to film a YouTube video of Portugal, because I think it will be a very good video if I was to film it, as we're doing so much more out there and we're just going to have the best time. So comment down below if you would like to see that video. But I'm going slightly off track, so let's get on to the next assumption about me. You work more than you see your friends. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I probably do. I do work a lot because my job is not a 9 to 5. It's like 24/7. I do struggle to make more time for my friends and sometimes my family and my boyfriend. Everyone, I do struggle to make time, especially when I'm really busy. I know that that's then something that I need to work on, and I am better at it now than I was before. But every now and again, I know that it's okay to go and see my friends instead of work, because I know that I can just get the work done another day. But sometimes it stresses me out, because as any business owner would do, they get stressed out with work. Well, I'm speaking for myself. I'm thinking everyone else is the same, but maybe it's just me. That is true. That assumption about me is true. I do work more than seeing my friends. But what I will say is, when I do see my friends, we have the best time. We was away last week in Ibiza, and oh my goodness, we literally had the funniest time ever. I don't think I've had a funnier holiday. We were just laughing the whole time. This one made me laugh when I read this assumption about me, and it's that I eat everything that I bake. Guys, I'm going to hold my hands up and say I have to taste what I try. Obviously, I don't eat everything that I bake at all, but if I'm making something new and I need to try it out, test it out, then I will. Every now and again, I'll pick on a few bits. I'm trying to be better, but sometimes life gets in the way and you just need to have a little sweet treat. I don't eat everything that I bake, obviously, because if I did, then I would have nothing to sell, because I would have eaten it all. But I do eat some of it every now and again, because who wouldn't? I mean, you're surrounded by chocolate and sugar every single day. So yes, that assumption about me is correct, but it's also not exactly correct. So you guys can make up your own mind on that one. The next assumption about me is you make loads of money. I am family, friends, love rich, okay? That is what I will say, because I class myself as very, very lucky and very fortunate for the life that I have, the life that I've been given, and also the life that I have worked for. I've worked very hard for my life and what I can do and for my business, so I'm very fortunate that I have been able to do that for myself and have the support of my family to help me as well. So I would not say that I have loads of money. Leading on to that, I have got my next assumption about me, which is you want to own your own bakery. Yes, I do. That assumption is 100% correct. I would love to own my own bakery one day. Don't get me wrong, at this point in time, I cannot do it because I feel like I'm all over the place 24/7 and do not have a single chance to do that. But in the future, over the next few years, yes, I would love to do that. But I will just have to see where life takes me. I mean, I don't know what will happen in the next few years, let alone what will happen next week. That's a lie, actually, because I'm away next week. But anyway, I would absolutely love to own a bakery. It has been my dream for such a long time. Yes, at the minute, it's kind of in the back burner, as you can imagine, but I would love to. Oh, and you know that boy from, is it Glaze Bakery? He is iconic. I've seen some of his videos, and I saw the other day that he got his bakery when he was 18, which is insane. I have saved this assumption till the last, as it is probably the craziest one out of all of them, and also probably one of the most untrue ones out of all of them. But I did get asked this a few times, so I thought we could clear it up together, and that is, you don't like Rosie. Guys, she is my cousin. She is my best friend. Like, what do you mean I don't like her? Yes, I do. Yes, 100% I do. Don't get me wrong, we don't see each other as much anymore. Saying that, we see each other at least once or twice a week. But when we was at school, obviously, we used to see each other a lot more. But now we're at school, obviously we're working. I was literally on FaceTime to her earlier. Like, we see each other and speak to each other all the time. So, yes, I do still like Rosie. And I think a lot of people don't realise that we're cousins, to be honest. Like, I do get that quite a lot, and people say that we're friends. No, we're cousins. My mum and her dad are siblings. That is now the end of all the assumptions about me, which means that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bells so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. And let me know if you would like me to film a Portugal vlog. Bye!